What's up, y'all? This is Riley here with Learn With Me, and this time we're doing a plant identification with bugleweed, otherwise known as Ajuga Reptans. Ajuga, often called bugleweed, is a low-growing perennial plant famous for its dense ground cover and vibrant foliage. It's a favorite among gardeners for its versatility and beauty. It also thrives through zones 4 through 8. Whether you call it bugleweed or carpet bugle, this plant is sure to add a touch of elegance to your garden. Going back to the zones that it can tolerate various climates and is suitable for gardens across many regions. Ajuga tends to bloom in early spring with a combination of either blue, purple, or white flowers that hover just above the foliage. As you can see from mine are a combination of like a blue-purple color. When it comes to maintenance, Ajuga is perfect for busy gardeners as it does not require frequent pruning or fertilization. While it can tolerate dry spells, supplemental watering may be needed if the dry spells go on for too long. Ajuga thrives in moist soil. When it comes to the plant's leaves, it tends to range between a deep green and burgundy and even in variegated patterns. This colorful array of leaf options can provide additional visual interest in your garden this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and even to drop a comment if you have time. Here's another beautiful shot of this plant in full bloom, the bugleweed Ajuga. Now back to it. Thanks to its dense growth habit, Ajuga creates a natural weed barrier, and it's a great alternative to mulch. If you struggled with deer or rabbits munching on your plants, Ajuga is a great solution as it comes off bitter when animals tend to eat it, so they tend to stay away from it. Another thing to note about Ajuga is that it propagates via underground runners, which forms dense mats over time and is an excellent choice for erosion control. Here's another beautiful shot of my Ajuga plant when it is in full bloom. As you can see, it has purple, bluish flowers, and it is absolutely divine to have in the garden. If anyone has anything to add about this plant, feel free to add it in the comments. Modern research shows that Ajuga extracts have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a promising candidate for herbal medicine. While these compounds could potentially support overall health, more studies need to be done to fully understand its benefits, so do proceed with caution when utilizing this plant. For more information on how to utilize this plant, feel free to reach out in the comments or to reach out to your preferred healthcare provider. Just wanted to take a moment to thank all the lovely members of this community for sticking by me and helping as I grow this channel. Your support means everything. Lastly, if you're new here, welcome, as I appreciate your support as well. Another cool thing to note about Ajuga is that if you struggle to grow grass under certain trees, Ajuga thrives under trees and shady areas. When it comes to Ajuga, propagation is simple, as you can either cut the runners from the mother plant or sow the seeds in the fall after the flowers have settled. This ensures that you have a steady supply for your garden. While partial shade is ideal, Ajuga can adapt to sunnier spots if watered adequately. While full sun might slow the plant's growth, it won't harm the plant significantly. When it comes to overwatering, avoid planting Ajuga in overly wet areas as it may develop crown rot. Proper drainage is essential to keep the plant healthy. The beautiful blooms of Ajuga are not just visually appealing, they're also magnets for pollinators, supporting biodiversity in your garden. By attracting bees and butterflies, Ajuga helps maintain a healthy ecosystem. When it comes to areas where grass struggles to grow, Ajuga offers an attractive alternative with its carpet-like growth and colorful foliage. It's especially useful on slopes or shaded spots where traditional grass might not thrive. Going back to the discussion of health benefits, Ajuga might help protect the liver from damage. This is promising for its potential use in supporting liver health, even though more research is needed to confirm these benefits. As with any herbal remedy, caution and professional advice are essential. When it comes to Ajuga, it is ideal for ground cover without overwhelming other plants. It stays low while spreading generously across surfaces, so please take note of this. When it comes to deadheading, removing faded flowers not only keeps Ajuga looking tidy, but prevents excessive spreading by reducing self-seeding. Well, you guys, it's been fun. I want to leave you guys with the lasting shot of this plant in full bloom. If you guys need anything, feel free to leave a comment. If not, just like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys soon, and thanks for being the awesome people that you always are.